Want your videos to feel more polished and keep people watching a little longer? Little UI flourishes like animated progress bars do more than just look good. They help viewers decide whether they can commit their time, and they satisfy that weird human urge to see things completed. Think about it. How many times have you clicked away from something because you didn't know how long it'd take? Or kept watching because a tiny progress indicator told you exactly how much was left? That's the psychological trick you can use to boost retention. And you don't need high-end motion design degrees to do it. Today, I'll show you 3 simple yet slick progress bar styles you can build in minutes. And then I'll show you how to turn that long tutorial into bite-sized social clips with Vizard. First up, the classic bottom bar, which is the easiest way to show how far through a video or slide someone is. Start by adding a rectangle and stretch it across the bottom of the screen. Make a copy of that rectangle. One will be the background track, and the other will be the fill that moves. For the fill, gradients are your friend because they communicate motion more naturally than a flat color. Put the colored rectangle on top and move it so only a tiny sliver is visible at the left edge. That's your starting point. Now the fun part. Animate the bar by using a custom motion tool to drag it to the right until it fills the background rectangle. Choose a steady easing so the movement is smooth, and drag the speed to the slowest setting. That ties the animation to the full duration of your video. Move both elements to the bottom of the frame, and you've got a traditional, clean, and effective progress bar. If you want something a bit more interesting, don't stop at rectangles. Go to your elements library and pick a different shape. You can also make the moving element a frame filled with video or motion, which is an easy way to add polish without any real motion design skills. Second design, the Playhead progress bar, which features a thin line with a little indicator that moves across. Create a thickened line, round the endpoints, and pick a color that fits your brand's palette. For the Playhead, search for a simple icon in your elements panel and size it so it sits nicely on the track. Animate that Playhead with the same workflow. Drag it to the end, set the movement style to steady, and you're done. Swap the icon for any small graphic that makes sense for your channel. A logo pin, a branded marker, or even a tiny emoji. Third design, the pill or rounded bar with masked ends, which works really well when you want a premium feel. If you round the corners completely, you'll need to mask the outer edges so the moving fill doesn't lose that rounded look as it slides on or off screen. You can even go vertical for a liquid fill effect by rotating the whole thing 90 degrees. Perfect for tall social formats. Those are the 3 basics, all doable inside your design software with no complex plugins. Now, here is where Vizard makes this workflow a real time saver for creators. If you're creating a long tutorial, you probably want to repurpose it into multiple short clips for social media. Instead of manually chopping the footage, Vizard will automatically pick the best moments from your long video, create clips optimized for social, and even schedule them for you. Think about it. You design your progress bars, overlay them on your timeline, and upload the long recording to Vizard to let it do the heavy lifting. It finds the most engaging segments, cuts them into ready-to-post clips, and gives you options for captions and format. You can then use Vizard's content calendar to line everything up and publish on your behalf. So you don't just get clips, you get a publish-ready pipeline. A practical routine I use is to record a single 20-minute tutorial, drop it into Vizard, and let the AI extract the highlights. A few quick creative tips. Use gradients to imply motion in the fill, and try frames with subtle looping textures for the moving bar. Keep one variant super simple for thumbnails, and don't forget that playing with vertical bars for reels is surprisingly addictive to watch. With a couple of neat design tricks, you can make professional-looking progress bars, and with Vizard, you can turn a single lesson into dozens of short social clips. If you liked this, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And drop a comment below if you want the exact templates I used. Keep creating stuff that makes life easier or more beautiful for someone else. And I'll see you next week with another quick practical tip.